Hello, I'm Dr. Diego Di Marco, obstetrician from Baby in Brazil. If you're planning to give birth in Brazil, you might be feeling excited, but also a little anxious. That's completely normal. Becoming a parent is a life-changing experience, and it can bring up many emotions: joy, fear, excitement, and even doubt. Feelings. But you don't have to face these feelings alone. At Baby in Brazil, we provide complete emotional support for parents before and after birth. Becoming a parent can bring a range of emotions. Before birth, anxiety about the birth process, fear of the unknown, or worries about becoming a parent. During the birth, fear of the pain, worry about complications, feeling of out of control. And after birth, exhaustion, baby blues, postpartum depression, or feeling overwhelmed. But remember, these feelings are normal, and with the right support, you can feel calm, confident, and prepared. Prenatal counseling sessions. We provide one-on-one counseling with experienced psychologists. We help you understand and manage anxiety. We teach you calming techniques such as breathing exercise and mindfulness. Birth preparation workshops. We teach you what to expect during the labor and delivery. We can help you create a birth plan that makes you feel secure. We ensure you know your pain management options. Support for your partner. We help your partner understand how they can support you emotionally. We provide advice for couples keeping your relationship strong. Emotional support after birth. Postpartum counseling. Our psychologists are available to help you process your feelings. We provide support for postpartum anxiety and depression. You can talk to someone who understands without fear or judgment. You can connect with other parents who understand your experience. We provide safe space to share your feelings, ask questions, and receive advice. We guide you on how long to bond with your baby, even if you feel anxious or unsure. We teach you soothing techniques, skin-to-skin contact, and breastfeeding support. It's normal to feel emotional after birth, but sometimes these feelings become overwhelming. Signs of postpartum depression includes feeling sad or hopeless most of the time, difficult bonding with your baby, feeling anxious or having panic attacks, difficult sleeping even when your baby sleeps, thoughts of harming yourself or your baby. If you feel anything of this, please remember, you are not alone and help is available. At Baby in Brazil, we support you without judgment. We provide a team of experienced psychologists who specialize in support parents. We offer both in-person or online counseling sessions, so you can choose what's most comfortable. Our support is always confidential, compassionate, and without judgment. We help you and your partner stay connected, calm, and confident. One of our clients, a mother of UK, told us, "I was so anxious before the birth, but talking with your counselor made me feel prepared." Baixei.
Voltar?
É. Your emotional health is just as important as your physical. Your emotional health is just as important as your physical health. Becoming a parent is a beautiful journey, but it also can be challenging. At Baby in Brazil, we support you step by step. Volta. At Baby in Brazil, we support you every step of the way, not just physically, but emotionally. If you want to learn more about our emotional support service, contact us. You are not alone, we are here for you.